I'm in Balenciaga. I'm a robber, any robbers for them blue dollars. Huncho, ride foes, I'm a crypto. Southside with my brothers like a strip pole. Jack girl, pretty face with a.
What's poppin', Day Nation? It's your girl Dayla here, aka MISSXELEB. If you ain't gang, then you lame. What you saying? What you doing? And I'm back with another YouTube video. And today's video, as you read by the title, is going to be a drum roll, please. First impressions on Nadula hair. I am sorry for the little noise in the background. If you hear that, it's this heater right here. It's very cold, you know. So I do need that heater. So I am talking a little louder. Few things I want to say before I do get started with this video. Do y'all like my hair? I got my hair done not even a week ago, but I got my hair done. It is so cute and it's burgundy. Well, it's burgundy red actually, but it's more burgundy than red. But in the sun you can see that it's pretty. It's kind of bright, just a little bright. Then I have my nails. I have pink clear acrylic, and I got them really short, so it's very natural looking, and it's actually cute, y'all. So, a few other things I do want to say before this video starts. I'm trying to think because I really thought about there's a few things I need to talk about. But oh, okay, y'all. I'm trying to post a new video like every other day. Like, I'm really trying to be really consistent, and I'm pretty consistent, but I'm trying to post like every other day like that. So next week I am planning to do where I dress up as the color of the rainbow for a week, well, for 5 days, because I'm gonna wear it to school. So I'm gonna do that every day, and every day is gonna be like a mini school vlog, but it's gonna be me, like y'all getting ready with me to see what color I have on that day and how I put it together, you know. Red, there's 7 colors, right? Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and go violet. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. That's 6, but it's only 5. So red. We'll do yellow because I don't have orange. So red, yellow, green, blue, purple. Boom. It's gonna be like that. So now let's actually get into the video. Hey guys, this is Nadula hair. If you don't know about them, then I'm finna tell y'all. This is my first time receiving anything from them, actually, some hair. So yeah, they emailed me and they wanted to send your girl some hair. But y'all, I've read, like, I always wanted to purchase Nadula hair, but you know, I'm a little broke. No money on my card, so I couldn't order any hair. But to have them want to send me hair, I was so happy, y'all, because I'm like, I've always wanted to see, is Nadula good for real? Like, word? Because in the YouTube videos, like, I watched a lot of YouTube reviews on Nadula hair, and they were saying that it's good and all that stuff. But now I get to actually see for myself. I get to actually have my hands on it, test it out for myself, and let y'all know the real tea, baby. Of course, I just got the hair. Like, I haven't even opened the box yet. I took it out of the mailing envelope, but I haven't opened the box yet. So I'm gonna open it with y'all. So we both gonna see it for the first time. And what else? Yeah, I can't give y'all like how really like is the hair bomb, like all that. But this is a first impression. So based off how I see and how it feels, my first time having it, I'll let y'all know. Then when I get the hair installed, then that's where the review will come, okay? Because, yeah, how am I going to review hair if I'm just now getting it? So this is first impressions. So on the front, it's just Nadula, 100% virgin hair, on Nadula hair. Enjoy natural beauty. And I really like the packaging. It's a cute box with gold and white and black. Well, it's black or purple, I'm not sure, but it's an ombre and it's really cute. I like that. I really love cute packaging, y'all. I'm all about cute packaging. Okay. It's on the back is instructions on how to take care of the hair and also some other few facts. I will read it for you guys. Hair care. Gently brush hair with rear tooth, metal comb, or fingers. Soak hair bundles in warm water with shampoo for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse hair in clean, cold water to wash out the shampoo. Wet hair can be left to dry completely on a towel at room temperature. Do not use hair dryers and other heat devices. Protect your real hair and braid hair and cornrows. Sew in your hair. Trim and style the hair extensions any way you like. Roll, wrap, braid, or twist the hair before bed so it doesn't tangle. Now the hair I got is curly hair, so that is high maintenance. So that's why I think they have all this on the back. I'm not sure if this comes with, like, if you get straight or by the wave. It probably does, I don't know. But I have curly hair. I have their Brazilian curly hair, and I will open and let you guys know the inches because I honestly do not remember the inches from the top of my head. But let's get into this unboxing. Ooh, they gave me a wig cap. Well, a weaving cap. They know girls like to do frontals and closures. Okay. A 16-inch closure, an 18-inch, a 20-inch, and a 22-inch bundle. So that's 4 bundles, baby. And I got this weaving cap, this mesh. And now let's get to the bundle. It's super curly, and that's it. Wow. Okay, let's open it. Y'all, ooh, I'm happy. I'm excited. They look so cute. And it's just in the package. Like, it's not even out yet. Y'all, it looks so cute. Like, word. It's so full and thick. So I'm going to start with my 22-inch. And they sent longer inches. I usually get a 14, 16, 18, but they sent longer inches because it's curly, so curly hair is going to shrink, so it's going to really be the length of, I mean, it's true to length, but like, it's going to shrink. It's going to shrink a little bit, so it's going to be just a tad bit short. So it comes with a rubber band on it, and then you just open it at the bottom. So I'm going to pop the rubber band off. Take the hair out the package. Oh my god, y'all. Ooh, it got a hairnet on it, okay? Bro. Don't you see me filming? So the hair comes in a hairnet. I'm gonna take it off. This is the 22. It's 22. Yeah. And again, this is the Brazilian curly. So as I'm feeling it, it is really soft, y'all. Wow, this is really soft. I shouldn't spread it out, but it is very soft. It has no odor. Of course, it has the hair smell, but it doesn't stink to me. Well, that's pretty thick. So if I put it here, it'll come to like here. So guys, yeah, it's really cute. I can't wait to get this installed, y'all. Y'all finna see a girl cute. Back black, yes sir. I'm gonna put this back in the package because it is curly hair, and you know with curly hair you gotta maintain it and manipulate it and all that jazz. But yeah, y'all better get a Nadula for y'all bundles, because I really like this. I thought curly hair would be rough, but it's soft. And then I also have the 18-inch and the 20-inch, and I have the 16-inch closure. So I'm just take this out for y'all to see. Oh, it's taped up here. Okay, I'm like, oh no, it ain't taped. It's So this is the closure, 16-inch. Nadula for your bundles. Nadula for your bundles. It's soft, it's cute, it's convenient. Price is relevant. Price is cheap. And it feels neat. Back in the package. And I'm pretty lazy. I'm not putting the fishnets back on there. Which I probably should, but yeah. Place that back in the bag. And that's all, folks. So thank you so much for watching this video of me unboxing my first impressions on Nadula's hair. It is very soft. The prices are cheap. Y'all get edit. The prices can't be beat. The link to this hair will be in the description down below. And I'll see y'all later. So woo! Thank you for watching this video. Like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoy. And don't forget to share, y'all. And subscribe again because we're trying to build a family. We at 10.2K. Trying to get up there. And don't forget to follow my Instagram at DaylaDoll. It'll be right here. DaylaDoll because it goes down on my Instagram. And I'm active every day on there. So when you don't see me posting on here, I am posting on Instagram.
Phone on 1%, location on ping. I'm the girl of his dreams. Look in the car, that's a creep. If you wanna take it farther, gotta go harder. My